guys, so what we're going to be doing today is making a rainmaker for our family time on Sunday. So when it comes to the worship time, we can all get involved and make some noise in our homes as we watch the worship video. So in order to be able to do that, what we're going to need is a Pringles tube. I've got an Aldi's own one. We're going to need some plain paper, a glue stick, some pens, some stickers if you've got some, and I'm going to use some lentils. You can also use rice or pasta, whatever you've got in the house to be able to put in it. So, now let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our piece of paper and our Pringles tub, and we're just going to wrap our pieces of paper around our Pringles tub, and we're going to get our glue stick, and we're going to roll it up, and we're going to put some glue on this edge of our paper, and then we're just going to roll it over and make sure it's nice and tight and stuck together. Try and get it straight would be really helpful. There we go. So we're going to glue that down, and then we can decorate it. So we can decorate it however we want. So I've got some star stickers, so I'm going to put some star stickers on mine. One big one there, and another big one over here, and then I'm going to put some little ones dotted around. Make them as bright and colourful as you want to. And I could do with one more just here. So I'm going to use an orange one. And put, I've already got an orange one. Oh well. Another orange one up here. So there we go, there's mine all decorated with some lovely stickers. You can also use some pens and colour it in and do anything you want with it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the lid off of it, and we're going to add some of our lentils or our rice or our pasta, whatever you've got in the cupboard that's loose that you can put inside your tins. So, some lentils. Just enough to cover the bottom is what I'm going to start off with. And then I'm going to put my lid back on. And then, when I tip it, it makes a rainmaker, and it depends how slow or how fast you do it, it's what kind of sound it makes. Or you can shake it even, and it makes loads more noise when you shake it. So that's the really simple, quick craft we're making to join in with our family time on Sunday. We're doing it over Zoom from 4 to 5 o'clock, and we can't wait to see you there. Enjoy making your rainmakers, and see you on Sunday. Bye!